Welcome back. Today we have a Volvo XC60 2019 with T4 diesel. With the customer complained that the money light is on, so let's see what's wrong with it. Already plugged in the tester. I already put it on the stands, a little bit lifted because already think I know what's wrong with it. We have customer complaint here with the money light on, and we have the P20EE00 SCR NOx Catalytic converter efficiency below threshold bank 1. I already done some of these cars, so I will show you what's the corporate today for this car. For this we have to climb underneath the car. Hope you can see it right here. Let's put some light on it. You see the adblue injector is leaking adblue, so it's pretty simple to take it off. There's only one connector here. Let there be light. Put some light on the matter. It's only one connector here, and here just press this and take out the pipe, just clean. And on the top we have a inverted Torx, the E6 variety. It's this one. I will take the injector off of the camera and I will show you the result. Guys, I hope you can see it. I have to show you this. Let's see. This should be a hole, and it has a lump of adblue just where the injector goes into the pipe. It was a little stubborn to get it out also, so you can see the adblue injector was leaking very bad. We have to clean this up, put the new injector in, test it and hope for the best. Turn around the camera so you can see it from the other side. Hope you can see it. See? This should be a hole. I'll clean it out and show it to you how it should look like. For cleaning it up, I normally just take a pick and scoop out what is possible to scoop out. Try to take out everything, all the old adblue. Simple job, but it takes some time to do it right. That is how it should look like. It's just a hole. The exhaust should be clean, not full of adblue. We are using an original adblue injector. This is the part number 32203-677, made in Italy. Hope you can see it with this company. is the part number. Connector is the same, original one. Okay, you see the comparison with the new adblue injector. There's the new one, so how clean it is. The new one, the old one, full of adblue, the tip. Okay, so the new adblue injector is in. I normally put also some copper grease on the fastener so it won't seize up. It's only one bolt, one clamp that is holding all the whole AdBlue injector, the connector, the pipe just plugs in. There's no leak anywhere else, and I think this will do its job. I found the data pits for the urea in the here. You can see it in the NRCM NOx reduction control model data stream. Select all. So we have ambient temperature, urea concentration, which is okay, urea pump pressure sensor, which means it is not working right now. It should be at 5 bars, and 35% of the urea tank level. So we fill it up, and we'll take it for a test drive and see if the pressure goes up and everything works okay. This is what I'm talking about: anti-crystal additive concentrate. You use it like this. You press it, and when it fills up, it's a little bit difficult to see. When it fills up to the top, it's okay for 10 liters. This AdBlue here already have some additive in it, but I'll put some more so it will clean everything out. I will fill it up. It's a little bit difficult to fill it up. I hope it will go through with this additive. It cleans all the complete system. The additives don't clog up, the AdBlue doesn't clog up the system, the pipes, the pump, and at least the injector. Guys, use this with everything, every time you fill up the AdBlue system. It prolongs the life of the pump, the whole system. It doesn't clog up. The SCR, it's a great thing. I use it for Peugeots, mostly for Audis, where Audi A6, A4, when the AdBlue clogs up the low pressure EGR. This cleans up the EGR cooler. It's a great product. It's from different brands. I use this liquid moly right now, mostly use the Kent one. It's whatever you can get, just use it, put it in. It is, you can get some AdBlues also with the additives already in. One of those is the Total Clean Nox or something like that. I will find a picture and put it on, but it is very difficult to find. We had no problems on that test drive. The urea pressure is still 5.9 bars, which is okay. The urea concentration is 33%, which is ideal. 1/3 urea, 2/3 water. We have full tank. So this swede is sweet now, and it's done. We have no faults in the NOx model, so this one, NOx reduction control model, and in the engine control model there is no DTCs, no faults. The car is done. So guys, that's it for this car from Sweden, made in China, with the Italian AdBlue injector. If you like it, we'll see you in the next one.